is it important to get dressed properly?
Getting dressed properly helps us feel comfortable and ready for the day.
How should we choose our clothes?
We should choose clothes that fit well and are suitable for the occasion.
Should we check the weather before selecting our clothes?
Yes, checking the weather helps us dress appropriately for the conditions outside.
Do we need to wear clean clothes every day?
Yes, wearing clean clothes every day is important for personal hygiene.
Should we put on our underwear first?
Yes, putting on underwear is usually the first step when getting dressed.
Do we need to wear socks with our shoes?
Yes, wearing socks with shoes helps keep our feet comfortable and prevents odors.
Should we button up or zip our clothes properly?
Yes, buttoning up or zipping our clothes properly ensures they fit well and stay in place.
Should we tie our shoelaces tightly?
Yes, tying shoelaces tightly helps keep our shoes secure and prevents stripping.
Do we need to wear a jacket when it's cold outside?
Yes, wearing a jacket keeps us warm and protects us from the cold.
Should we wear a hat to protect our head from the sun?
Yes, wearing a hat provides shade and helps protect our head from the sun's rays.
Should we wear comfortable clothes for physical activities?
Yes, wearing comfortable clothes allows us to move freely during physical activities.
Do we need to adjust our clothes if they feel too tight or too loose?
Yes, adjusting our clothes ensures they fit comfortably and don't restrict our movements.
Should we wear different clothes for different seasons?
Yes, wearing clothes appropriate for each season helps us stay comfortable in different weather conditions.
Do we need to brush our hair before going out?
Yes, brushing our hair helps make it look neat and tidy.
Should we wear clean and polished shoes?
Yes, wearing clean and polished shoes gives a good impression and completes our overall appearance.
Do we need to wear sunscreen to protect our skin?
Yes, wearing sunscreen helps protect our skin from the harmful effects of the sun.
Should we wear a belt to keep our pants up?
Yes, wearing a belt helps keep our pants secure and prevents them from falling down.
Do we need to wear gloves in cold weather?
Yes, wearing gloves keeps our hands warm and protects them from the cold.
Should we wear appropriate footwear for different activities?
Yes, wearing appropriate footwear ensures our feet are protected and comfortable during different activities.
Do we need to take off our pajamas before getting dressed?
Yes, taking off our pajamas and changing into regular clothes is part of getting dressed for the day. What are we having for breakfast?
We're having cereal and milk.
Can I have sugar in my cereal?
Yes, you can add a little bit of sugar if you'd like.
How much milk should I pour?
Pour enough milk to cover the cereal.
Can I have a glass of orange juice?
Sure, I'll pour you a glass of orange juice.
Do we have any toast?
Yes, we have some bread for toast.
Can I put butter on my toast?
Of course, you can spread butter on your toast.
Are there any fruits for breakfast?
Yes, we have some bananas and apples.
Can I have a banana?
Yes, you can have a banana.
Can I have peanut butter on my toast?
Yes, you can spread peanut butter on your toast.
Can I have honey on my cereal?
Sure, you can drizzle some honey on your cereal.
Do we have any yogurt?
Yes, we have yogurt in the fridge.
Can I mix berries with my yogurt?
Yes, you can mix berries with your yogurt.
Can I have a glass of milk too?
Of course, I'll pour you a glass of milk.
Can I have a boiled egg?
Yes, I'll prepare a boiled egg for you.
Can I have jam on my toast?
Yes, you can spread jam on your toast.
Can I have a glass of water?
Yes, I'll get you a glass of water.
Can I have a glass of apple juice instead?
Yes, I'll pour you a glass of apple juice.
Can I have cheese with my toast?
Sure, you can put cheese on your toast.
Can I have a muffin too?
Yes, you can have a muffin.
Can I have another bowl of cereal?
Yes, you can have another bowl of cereal.
How are we going to school today?
We're going by car.
Can I sit in the front seat?
No, it's safer for you to sit in the back seat.
Is the school far from here?
No, it's just a few minutes away.
Do we have to cross any busy streets?
Yes, we have to cross one busy street.
Can I listen to music on the way?
Yes, you can listen to music.
Are there any traffic lights near the school?
Yes, there are traffic lights at the intersection.
Can I bring my favorite toy to school?
No, toys are not allowed in school.
Will there be other kids in my class?
Yes, there will be other kids in your class.
Can I bring my lunch or do we have to buy at school?
You can bring your lunch or buy it at school.
Can we park the car near the school?
Yes, there's a parking lot for parents.
Will I have a new teacher this year?
Yes, you'll have a new teacher.
Can I play with my friends during recess?
Yes, you can play with your friends during recess.
Are there any swings or slides in the school playground?
Yes, there are swings and slides in the playground.
Can I bring my backpack with all my books?
Yes, you should bring your backpack with your books.
Is there a cafeteria in the school?
Yes, there's a cafeteria where you can have lunch.
Can we go to the library after school?
Yes, we can go to the library if you finish your homework.
Do we have to wear a school uniform?
No, you don't have to wear a school uniform.
Can I bring my tablet for educational games?
Yes, you can bring your tablet for educational games.
Will there be any field trips this year?
Yes, there will be field trips during the school year.
Can I join any after-school activities?
Yes, you can join after-school activities if you want to.
Hi, my name is James. What's your name?
Hi, James. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have a younger brother.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to play soccer.
Hi, I'm James. What's your name?
Hi, James. I'm Emily.
Hi, Emily. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a pet dog.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I really enjoy art class.
Hi, I'm James. What's your name?
Hi, James. I'm Ethan.
Hi, Ethan. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love playing the piano.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
Hi, I'm James. What's your name?
Hi, James. I'm Olivia.
Hi, Olivia. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you have any favorite books?
Yes, I enjoy reading adventure stories.
Hi, I'm James. What's your name?
Hi, James. I'm Daniel.
Hi, Daniel. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a lion.
What's your favorite season?
I love winter because I can play in the snow.
Hi, I'm James. What's your name?
Hi, James. I'm Lily.